Oh, a quick one, guys. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Samsung Smart TV. If you have a Smart TV, let's say Samsung, and you want to reset it to the default settings, this will actually erase all your personal configuration on this TV. And if you don't mind that, here are the steps that you need to take to reset a Samsung TV to their default settings. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Samsung TV settings by selecting the settings jar icon at the bottom left. Then click on the enter button. Then you want to make sure you stroke to general. Under general, press on the left button like this. So once you press that, then this will open the general menu. Then you want to scroll down to reset. And then hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, you'll be prompted to enter your PIN. The default PIN is 000. Then you want to go ahead now and enter the PIN. Once you reset your Samsung TV, this will delete or uninstall all your personal application, your personal configuration, and other things that do not come with this TV by default. So then you need to start configuring your TV from the onset. So in this case, I'm not interested in resetting my Samsung TV because this is going to take a lot of time to set up my personal configuration on this device. But all you just need to do is go ahead now and type in the default PIN on the screen like this. So if your PIN is correct, like this, complete the PIN, and if your PIN is correct, this will reset your Samsung TV to the default and your device will reboot and prompt you to set it from the onset. So guys, so this is how to reset or restore Samsung TV to the default settings. If this video is helpful, you want to hit like button, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.